Hi students, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I will be teaching you how to compute new profit ratio and sacrificing ratio. Different situations I have taught you all already, few situations we have seen, some more is there, we will see one by one. So, we will move to question number 14. I will read the question for you all, just listen and then I will do the sum. Question number 14, page number 176. Karthik and Kannan are equal partners. They admit Kailash with 1/4 share of the profit. Kailash acquired his share from old partners in the ratio of 7:3. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Now see the question, what are the things given there? The new partner's share is given and in what proportion he is going to take the profit, that is also given there. So Karthik and Kannan are the old partners, Kailash is the new partner and Kailash's share is 1/4. Okay. And in what proportion they are going to sacrifice, that is also given, that is 7:3. So you have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. Question number 14. Computation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Okay. Kailash is the new partner. Kailash share is given, that is 1/4. That is Kailash share. Now see the question. Karthik and Kannan are equal partners. What is the meaning of equal partners? Whatever profit they get, they will be sharing it half. Karthik will take half, Kannan will take half. So the old ratio, what is the old ratio? Old ratio is, since they are equal partners, it is 1:1. That is 1/2 is to 1/2. 1 plus 1, that will give the denominator 2. Both of them numerator 1. 1/2 is to 1/2. That is the old share. Okay. What is the proportion? See, whatever profit they are getting, they will be giving in a proportion to the new partner. What is that proportion? That is 7:3. Okay. Proportion of share sacrificed. We are going to sacrifice in this ratio, that is 7:3. It can be written as 7/10 is to 3/10. So these are the things given in the question. The new partner's share 1/4. Old ratio equal partners 1:1, that is 1/2, 1/2. Then proportion of share sacrifice. In what proportion they are going to sacrifice? 7:3, that is 7/10, 3/10. Okay. Now first thing what you have to do, you have to find the sacrificing ratio. So you have to write like this: share sacrificed by the old partners. Okay, share sacrificed by the old partners is equal to, this is the formula, new partners share into proportion of sacrifice. Okay. So what is the new partners? So first you find out for Karthik. So Karthik, what is Karthik's new partner share? New partner share Kailash, that is 1/4 into what is Karthik's proportion of share sacrificed? 7/10. So that will give you 7/40. Same way find for Kannan. What is the new partner share? New partner share is 1/4. What is the proportion of sacrifice for Kannan? 3/10. So that will give you 3/40. this is the sacrifice. Okay, sacrifice made by Karthik and Kannan. Okay, write like this. Sacrificing ratio of Karthik and Kannan is 7 by 40 is to 3 by 40. That is 7 is to 3. So you got the sacrificing ratio. Now what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. New share of the old partners is equal to, what is the formula? Old share minus share sacrificed. So first find for Karthik. What is the old share for Karthik? Karthik old share is 1 by 2. What is the share sacrificed by Karthik? 7 by 40. So the numerator greater number 40. 2 how many times? 20. So we multiply by 20. So 20 minus 7, that will give you 13 by 40. Now find for Kannan. Kannan's old share also is 1 by 2. Kannan's share sacrificed is 3 by 40. So that will give you a denominator 40 multiplied by 20. So 20 minus 3, that will give you 17 by 40. Share of new partner is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4, your denominator is 40. So you have to get 40. If you want 40, what you have to do? You have to multiply the denominator by 10. If you multiply denominator by 10, you have to multiply the numerator also by 10. So that will give you 10 by 40. That is for Kailash. So the new profit sharing ratio will be 13 by 40 is to 17 by 40 is to 10 by 40. That is 13 is to 17 is to 10. Okay. So this is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay. Now see the question. What is given in the question? Kailash share is given. Kailash share is 1 by 4. Old ratio equal. They both are equal partners. So 1 is to 1. Okay. Proportion of share sacrificed is given. In what proportion they are going to sacrifice? That is given. 7 is to 3. Now what you have to do? Share sacrificed you have to find out. So for finding out share sacrifice, what is the formula? New partner share into proportion of sacrifice. So find out for Karthik and Kannan. Take the new partner's share into Karthik's proportion. Here take the new partner's share into Kannan's proportion. Okay. So sacrificing ratio of Karthik and Kannan is 7 is to 3. Then find the new share. New share of the old partners, formula is old share minus share sacrificed. Use this formula, calculate for Karthik, calculate for Kannan, and then already Kailash share is given 1 by 4. With the help of that you find out the ratio. Okay. Question number 15. I'll read the question. Just watch. Then we'll do the sum. Question number 15, page number 177. Selvam and Senthil are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2 is to 3. Siva is admitted into the firm with 1/5 share of profit. Siva acquires equally from Selvam and Senthil. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Now see this question. Selvam and Senthil, they both are partners. Their old ratio is given. What is their old ratio? 2 is to 3. Okay. Now new partner is coming. Who is the new partner? Siva. Siva is the new partner. What is Siva's share? Siva's share is 1 by 5. And how this 1 by 5 he is taking? In the previous sum we saw what is the new partner share, that was taken by in a proportion was given. But here if proportion is not given, he is going to take it equally. That 1 by 5 he is going to take equally from both the partners. Okay, equally he is going to take from both the partners. So you have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. Okay. So question number 15. So Shiva is the new partner. Shiva's share is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Old ratio is given 2:3. That can be written by 2 by 5:3 by 5. Okay. This share 1 by 5 he is going to acquire from both the old partners equally. Okay. Proportion of share sacrificed is equal to 1:1, that is 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2. So these are the things given in the question. Shiva's share is given, old ratio is given, proportion of share sacrifice equally, so 1:1 or that is 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2. Okay. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the share sacrificed. What is the formula for share sacrifice? The previous sum we did new partner share into the proportion of share sacrificed. Okay. Share sacrificed is equal to new partners share into proportion of share sacrificed. So who are the old partners? Selvam and Senthil. So find for Selvam. For Selvam, new partner share 1 by 5. Share sacrifice, proportion of share sacrificed is what? 1 by 2. Okay. So that will give you 1 by 10. Next find for Senthil. Senthil, new partner share is 1 by 5. Proportion of share sacrificed is 1 by 2. So that again you will get 1 by 10. So sacrificing ratio of Selvam and Senthil is 1 by 10 is to 1 by 10. That is 1:1. So this is the sacrificing ratio. Okay. Now what you have to find out? You have to find the new share of the old partners. New share of the old partners is equal to old share minus share sacrificed. Okay. So find for Selvam. For Selvam, what is the old share? Old share of Selvam is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 minus, what is the share sacrificed? 1 by 10. Okay. So that will give you denominator 10. So 2 times 4 minus 1, that will give you 3 by 10. Next Find for Senthil. Senthil old share is 3 by 5 minus how much sacrificed? 1 by 10. 1 by 10. So 10 is the greater number. How many times 10? 2 times. So 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1. So that will give you 5 by 10. Share of new partner. What is the new partner share? 1 by 5. 1 by 5, but here the denominator is 10, so you have to get 10. You have to get 10 means multiply by 2. Denominator you multiply by 2 means numerator also multiply by 2. So that will give you 2 by 10. Okay, so you must write the last new profit sharing ratio of Selvam, Sendil and Siva is 3 by 10 is to 5 by 10 is to 2 by 10. That is 3 is to 5 is to 2. Okay. See the answer. Siva's share is given 1 by 5. Old ratio is given 2 is to 3, that is 2 by 5, 3 by 5. Okay. Proportion of share sacrificed. How they are sacrificing? Equally. The share 1 by 5 they are going to give equal 1 is to 1, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. So share sacrificed you have to find out. What is the formula for that? New partner share into proportion of share sacrificed. Use that formula and find the sacrificing ratio. So the sacrificing ratio is 1 is to 1. Next, what you have to do, you have to find the new share of the old partners. What is the formula for that? Old share minus share sacrificed. Use that formula and find the new profit sharing ratio, that is 3 is to 5 is to 2. Okay. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.